Cyclists, it's time to take your ride to the next level. Today we're showcasing the 20 amazing bike accessories on Amazon, innovative, must-have tools that boost safety, comfort, and performance like never before. From clever gadgets to game-changing gear you didn't know you needed, this list is packed with real value. Watch till the end, the final picks are next level, mind-blowing upgrades every biker will love. Number 1. KASLIGHT Bike Lights. The KASLIGHT bike lights bring affordable yet powerful illumination to your rides. The front light emits a strong, wide beam to brighten dark paths and enhance visibility, while the rear light warns cars and other riders you're present. Easy to install with adjustable straps, both lights are rechargeable by USB and durable in wet conditions. Perfect for night commuting or early morning rides, these inexpensive yet reliable lights help keep you safe on every journey without breaking the bank. Number 2. AUXITO AB1 Mini Bike Pump. The AUXITO AB1 Mini Bike Pump is a compact inflator that delivers big performance in a small package. Lightweight and portable, it slides easily into a backpack or saddlebag for rides on the go. With accurate pressure readings and compatibility with common valve types, it's ideal for quick roadside adjustments or pre-ride tire top-offs. Its ergonomic grip makes pumping smooth and efficient, and it's a dependable, budget-friendly tool that every cyclist should carry for peace of mind. Number 3. Minsk Bike Lights. Minsk bike lights provide bright, dependable lighting without a hefty price tag. The front beam cuts through darkness effectively, while the rear light enhances your presence to drivers and pedestrians. Rechargeable via USB, these lights are easy to keep powered up between rides. Their adjustable mounts fit most handlebars and seat posts, making installation a breeze. Whether you ride city streets or country trails, this affordable light set upgrades your safety and visibility so you can ride with confidence at any hour. Number 4. Hycline Mountain Bike Tire Set. The Hycline Mountain Bike Tire Set delivers dependable traction and durability at a great price. Designed for rugged trails or everyday riding, the tread pattern grips varied surfaces to help you stay steady over rocks, dirt, and gravel. Built from quality rubber with reinforced sidewalls, these tires resist punctures and wear. Easy to install and compatible with most mountain bikes, this tire set is a smart upgrade for riders seeking performance and value without spending too much. Number 5. Hydencamm Bicycle Tubes. Hydencamm bicycle tubes offer reliable, budget-friendly replacements for worn or damaged tubes. Made from durable, flexible materials, they hold air well and help reduce flats on daily rides. Available in common sizes, they fit most bikes easily and install without hassle. Whether you're prepping for a long ride or just updating old tubes, these affordable options provide dependable performance. Cyclists appreciate their balance of quality and cost, making them a practical choice for riders of all levels. Number 6. NDakter Bike Frame Storage Bag. The NDakter Bike Frame Storage Bag adds valuable storage space to your ride without extra bulk. This triangular bag fits within the frame, providing room for tools, snacks, phones, and other essentials. Durable and weather-resistant, it protects contents from light rain and dust. Its easy zipper access lets you grab items on the go, and adjustable straps secure it tightly to your frame. A cost-effective way to stay organized on rides, this bag is perfect for commuters and adventurers alike. Number 7. Ultraverse Bike Inner Tube Set. The Ultraverse Bike Inner Tube Set delivers dependable, budget-friendly spare tubes for cyclists of all sizes. Built from flexible, puncture-resistant rubber, these tubes help keep your tires properly inflated and ready for the ride. Quick and simple to install, they're a must-have for emergency repairs or regular maintenance. Whether you're commuting daily or exploring trails, carrying these affordable tubes gives peace of mind and keeps you rolling without interruptions or costly shop visits. Number 8. Mongoose Bike Tire Tube. The Mongoose Bike Tire Tube offers durable performance and great value for everyday cyclists. Designed to fit standard tire sizes, it provides reliable air retention and reduces the risk of flats during rides. Easy to install and compatible with common valves, this tube is ideal for quick replacements or emergency spares. Its resilient rubber construction stands up to regular use, making it a smart, inexpensive addition to any cyclist's repair kit for confident, worry-free riding. Number 9. PidZoom Bike Helmet Mirror. The PidZoom Bike Helmet Mirror enhances awareness and safety by giving you a clear view behind without turning your head. Easy to mount on most helmets, the adjustable mirror offers broad visibility so you can monitor traffic or other riders. Its compact design doesn't add bulk, and the durable materials withstand bumps and vibrations. Affordable yet practical, this mirror helps you ride smarter and safer, especially in busy or urban environments where rear visibility matters most. Number 10. X-Wing Bike Seat Cover. The X-Wing Bike Seat Cover adds comfort and protection to your bike's saddle without a big investment. Its cushion design helps reduce pressure and soreness on longer rides, while the waterproof outer layer shields your seat from rain and mud. Easy to install and remove, it fits most standard bike seats snugly. Ideal for commuters and leisure riders alike, this affordable seat cover makes every ride more comfortable and enjoyable, no matter the terrain. Number 11. LLTTLTMM Bike Saddlebag. The LLTTLTMM Bike Saddlebag delivers convenient storage for tools, spare tubes, and essentials without breaking the bank. Compact yet roomy, it tucks neatly under your saddle and secures with sturdy straps. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant materials, it protects contents from splashes and dirt. Perfect for everyday commuters and weekend adventurers, this budget-friendly bag keeps items organized and within reach, giving you peace of mind on every ride. Number 12. BLITZU Cyborg Bike Light Set. The BLITZU Cyborg Bike Light Set offers a powerful front beam and a bright rear light at an affordable price. USB rechargeable and easy to mount, these lights boost visibility for nighttime or early morning rides. The front light cuts through darkness effectively, while the rear flash modes enhance your presence to drivers. Lightweight and weather-resistant, this set is a practical upgrade for cyclists looking to improve safety and illumination without spending too much. Number 13. VERSATTA Helmet Rear Light. The VERSATTA Helmet Rear Light enhances your safety by increasing visibility from behind. Easy to attach to most helmets, it offers multiple light modes to suit different riding conditions. Rechargeable via USB, it's convenient and cost-effective compared to disposable battery lights. Lightweight and secure, this rear light helps alert drivers and riders to your presence, especially at dawn, dusk, or night. A smart, inexpensive way to boost your overall cycling safety and confidence. Number 14. COOLWUFAN Oversized Bike Seat. The COOLWUFAN Oversized Bike Seat adds plush comfort to your ride without a high price tag. Its wider cushion design reduces pressure and enhances comfort on longer outings or everyday commutes. Soft padding absorbs vibrations and keeps your seat feel comfortable even over bumps. Easy to install on most bikes, this affordable upgrade makes riding more enjoyable for cyclists of all ages. Whether you're cruising city streets or scenic paths, this comfy seat delivers value and comfort. Number 15. Bike Bar and Mirrors. Bike bar and mirrors provide rear visibility without the need for helmets or gadgets. Mounting directly into your handlebar ends, these wide-angle mirrors give a clear view of traffic behind you. Durable and adjustable, they position easily to suit your line of sight. Affordable and effective, they help increase safety on busy streets or multi-use paths. A simple upgrade for cyclists who want more awareness without adding bulk or expense. Number 16. ROCKBROS Handlebar Covers. The ROCKBROS handlebar covers provide warmth and protection from wind and cold. Made with insulating materials, they help keep your hands comfortable on chilly rides. Easy to install over most handlebars, they allow full access to brakes and gear levers. Whether you're commuting through winter weather or hitting brisk morning trails, these affordable covers upgrade comfort and keep your hands shielded. Cyclists seeking budget-friendly cold weather gear will appreciate this practical, cozy accessory. Number 17. ROCKBROS Bike Bell Copper. The ROCKBROS Bike Bell in copper combines classic style with practical function. Its clear, cheerful ring alerts pedestrians and fellow cyclists to your presence. Easy to install and durable, this bell attaches to most handlebars without tools. The copper finish adds a stylish accent to any bike. Ideal for commuters, city riders, or casual cyclists, this affordable bell improves safety and communication on the road while adding a touch of timeless design to your ride. Number AUXITO Decker Car Tire Valve Stem Caps. The Decker Car Tire Valve Stem Caps are a small but valuable upgrade for any cyclist. Designed to protect valve stems from dirt, moisture, and damage, these caps help maintain proper tire pressure and prolong valve life. Lightweight and easy to install, they fit standard valves securely. Their durable construction resists wear and tear, making them a cost-effective addition to your bike maintenance kit. A simple detail that boosts performance and protects your tires. Number 19. Zacro Bike Seat Cushion. The Zacro Bike Seat Cushion delivers extra comfort for riders who struggle with hard, unforgiving saddles. Its gel-filled design reduces pressure and absorbs vibrations, making every ride more enjoyable. Easy to install with adjustable straps, it fits most bike seats snugly, whether commuting daily or enjoying weekend rides. This affordable seat cushion enhances comfort without breaking the bank. A great choice for cyclists seeking a softer, more supportive ride. Number 20. KT-BM 45 Bars End Mirror. The KT-BM 45 Bars End Mirror offers wide rear visibility for increased cycling safety. Installing into your handlebar ends, it provides a stable view of approaching traffic without head turning. Durable construction and adjustable angles make it reliable on city streets, bike paths, or busy roads. Compact and unobtrusive, this inexpensive mirror boosts rider awareness and confidence. Cyclists on a budget will appreciate its practical design and enhanced visibility. That wraps up our list of 20 amazing bike accessories on Amazon. From lights and pumps to saddles and mirrors, these must-have tools upgrade your ride, boost safety, and make cycling more enjoyable. Grab your favorites today and take your biking experience to the next level.